Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4 of Writing 213 this summer. This week I have 2 short readings for you from the consortium library, but mostly you're directing your own reading in relation to your career research project. You need to have source material, so you should be reading and reviewing those materials in the same kind of way I've asked you questions in previous assignments. This week we're also engaging in peer review. Today, which is Sunday, your drafts are due, and so once I have approved your draft, I won't have time to comment heavily on them, but I just want to see that you have a draft, you have ideas flowing. It's okay when you're drafting to write yourself a subheading that says underneath it, in this paragraph or in this section, I'm going to X, Y, and Z, and maybe include some details. The more you tell yourself what you're going to do, the more you're actually doing it. That's what writing is. So send me your crappy draft. I'll approve it sometime on Monday, probably later in the day, and then I'll put you in a peer review group. So you can share your draft with your group on Monday or Tuesday, and the peer review will take place until Thursday. I've given you directions here. So you're going to share your document, and let me move my camera over a little bit. You just click this blue share button right over here, and then you type in the email addresses of the people who are in your group. You can find their email addresses in the course directory for our class. So in order to get points for this, you have to have shared your draft by Monday or Tuesday. If you haven't done that, then you don't have the ability to participate in this activity. And that's okay. It's just worth 25 points. I think peer review is really, really useful. Sometimes if you have to miss an assignment, that's not going to impact your grade very much. So it's okay to sometimes sit one out. But what's important is that you communicate with your group members. I'll put you in a group with a few students from our class, and it's your responsibility to share your goals. You should share your draft with your group. Tell them what you really need help with and how, their sets of eyes can help to improve your paper, and you should be working together to make your papers better. Writing is often seen as an individual activity, but it's really collaborative, and the more sets of eyes you get on a piece of writing, the better it's going to be. And that's an important lesson, that we're working on in this class as well. So the other big thing that's due this week is the career research project. Before you submit it, I want you to make sure that you read over this page again really carefully and make sure that you have met these important characteristics, and also that you have completed the reflection. You just have a couple weeks to work on a project for this class. A good piece of writing takes many, many sittings. I'm working on publishing some book chapters right now. I submitted them for peer review months ago after I worked with a lot of my colleagues on them. I'm going to make more revisions. The editors are going to make more revisions. You don't need to hold yourself to the standard of professional writing. You don't have time in this class. And so by completing this reflection, you can tell me what you would do if you have more time. And, this also tells me what you know as a writer. So make sure, in addition to your paper, that you complete this reflection. So that's what we have going on this week. Take care, everyone, and I look forward to reading your draft.